Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing going up front because the struggle is real. So one of you guys requested that Andrea Maida Pilates and I take on the going up front on the Wunda Chair. So we are. I actually happen to love this exercise. It makes me feel like I'm a daredevil of sorts. I highly recommend one top, one bottom if the struggle is real for you. She's doing it on the high chair. So if the struggle is really real, then get on the high chair. It's definitely more helpful. If you're a beginner at this and you don't have a high chair, you definitely want to put the chair close to a wall and then use a wall or in front of your Cadillac and have something, but try not to lean into it, right? So I'm going to show you, and then we'll talk about some exercises to make this less of a struggle. So the advanced way to get on would be to press one foot into the pedal and then just step up onto the Wunda Chair. If you're a little scared to do that, put your hands down, then step up, right? I like to turn my foot out on the top a little bit and my foot out on the bottom, just a little bit to get more surface area. And then hands can be behind your head, out to the side, on your hips, however it connects you to your back. Then this foot is pushing down, but so is this one so that I can lift my center up. So I'm gonna bring my legs almost towards each other so I can go up. And then I'm going down. So I don't want to ride the spring down. So I'm still pushing down into my top leg so that I resist the pedal down and don't fall. You can do like 3 to 5 of these. And then the more you go, you'll feel your center lifting up and in. And it makes this, really a fun exercise to explore. There are some people who even do some dancing stuff on the top. I'm not a dancer, so you won't get that from me. But if the struggle is real, you wouldn't be doing that anyway. Now, some exercises you could do to make this more possible for you is the standing press down front on the Wunda Chair. So you can check out my Wunda Chair playlist for that exercise. I also highly recommend that you work on your front splits on the reformer. Not necessarily the higher one just yet, but the bottom one where you can hold on and really learn how to reach into both of your feet. That would help you. Then lift your body up and do the standing front splits on the reformer. Coming over here would help you do that. If you get on the mat and do your single leg stretch, it's the same exercise. So if on your back, you can stay in your center and bring one knee in and one leg out, then coming over here, doing your standing press down front and then doing your going up front, it's gonna be more possible. I think it's more of a fear of heights thing. And so if that's you, again, go put your chair in front of your Cadillac and then have your hands on the poles just for guidance. And then as you're feeling better, take your hands off. So make sure you check out Andrea Maida Pilates channel for her tips on how to make this less of a struggle, and we will see you next time.